Terri L. Hill. Terri Lynn Hill, born May 3, 1959, is an American politician who serves as a delegate to the Maryland General Assembly representing Maryland's 12th legislative district, which encompasses portions of Baltimore and Howard counties. Personal life. Hill was born on May 3, 1959, in Pennsylvania and attended high school at Wild Lake Senior High School in Columbia, Maryland. She earned her undergraduate degree from Harvard University in bioelectric engineering before attending medical school at Columbia University. Hill has received a number of awards, including the Archdiocese of Baltimore's Mother Mary Lange Leadership Award, the Distinguished Black Marylander Award from Towson University, and the Outstanding Professional Achievement Spirit Award from the Columbia chapter of Alpha Kappa Alpha. She maintains involvement with a wide range of professional and civic organizations, including the American Medical Association, MedChi, the Columbia Democratic Club, and the Thurgood Marshall Democratic Club. Medical career. Following completion of medical school, Hill was a resident in plastic and reconstructive surgery at Columbia Presbyterian Medical Center and served a fellowship in craniofacial surgery at the University of Miami School of Medicine. Since 1991, she has maintained a practice in plastic surgery in Ellicott City, Maryland. In October 2021, Hill was fined $15,000 and reprimanded for twice participating in legislative meetings via video conference from an operating room during surgery. Political career. Following redistricting in 2010, the three incumbent legislators representing District 12, which had formerly been divided into two sub-districts, chose not to run for re-election. Hill ran for the seat in a crowded primary field and was elected alongside Eric Ebersole and Clarence K. Lamb as an all-freshman delegation to the General Assembly. In the Legislature. Upon being sworn in, Hill was appointed to the Health and Government Operations Committee, where she has served on a number of subcommittees, including the Insurance Subcommittee and the Health Facilities and Pharmaceuticals Subcommittee. She has served on the Death with Dignity Work Group since 2015 and is a member of both the Legislative Black Caucus of Maryland and the Women Legislators of Maryland. 2027 Congressional District Special Election. Hill was an unsuccessful candidate in the 2020 Maryland 7th Congressional District Special Primary Election to fill out the term of the late Elijah Cummings. Following the primary loss, she withdrew her candidacy in the overlapping regular 2020 primary election for the same congressional seat. References